All right. All right. So we've got a couple challengey algos for you. One, what was it? Swap two numbers without using a third variable. What? Print a semicolon without using semicolon anywhere in the program. I don't like that one. Oh, okay, I like this one. Multiply two numbers without using multiplication, without using a multiplication operator or loops. Let's see. Oh, oh man, I don't like that one. So we're not going to do that one. You too, Arthur. You too.
Arthur doesn't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, well, I don't know what he's talking about either, so we're growling about.
That's not growling. That's just breathing.
Oh.
I don't think I've ever actually heard him growl. Oh no, I take that back. He does growl when he's playing with his toys, and then he sounds like a gremlin.
So maybe I'm crazy. Is it just me, or is this literally as easy as it sounds? Christine and Siri have $21 between them. Christine has $20 more than Siri.
That sounds like a sixth grade logic problem.
So Siri has $1 and Christine has. Oh, wait, no. Never mind. $20 more than Siri. Ooh.
No, isn't it? What you
Says you
said?
can't use fraction. Well, no, because then Christine would have $19 more than Siri if Christine had $20 and Siri had $1.
Oh yeah.
It says you can't use fractions in the answer.
I guess can you use decimals?
Yeah, I mean then it's Siri has 50 cents, Christine has $20.50. That's dumb. That's a really bad one.
Well, why not one have $21 and the other one have none?
Because that's $21 more than Siri, not $20 more. Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
If your friend drinks 20 Coronas and you drink 3 Coronas,
So this is on a website as one of the programming puzzles for a Java interview.
This is what for a job interview?
So this is on a website for like good programming questions to expect in an interview. A person shoots her wife, then holds her underwater for 5 minutes. Finally, he hangs her, but after 10 minutes, they both go out together and enjoy a wonderful dinner.
It's a photo.
It's a photography thing.
Photography, yeah.
Yeah,
But
but
that's
like
very inappropriate.
The phrasing, right?
Yeah.
Whoever wrote this is just terrible with grammar. A father and son are going in a car and suddenly their car met accident. Father died on spot. No, go away.
Met accident.
Met accident. Okay, this one is a Russian gangster kidnapped. What is with these what is with these questions and the violence?
It's to
Hello?
weed out squares. You don't want squares in your office.
Hello?
Hello, this is Amy with Medical Services. You were recently recommended by a medical
About to get on a plane to Seattle. You want to know if it's raining. You call 3 random friends who live there and ask each if it's raining. Each friend has a 2/3 chance of telling you the truth and a 1/3 chance of messing with you by lying. All 3 friends
Hold on,
can tell you.
hold on. Somebody's stepping over you and they're really loud.
Just go ahead and mute all for now. Okay. Well, this one's easy. If you get you want to know if it's raining in Seattle, you just assume yes, and you have like a 70% chance of being right. That's easy. Oh, I like this one. All right. So I think we'll go with these 3. So you may now unmute yourself.
Hey, Cody.
Yes.
So for the third one, you want us to write an algorithm for that?
No, I just want to
we
know the
already
logic
did that.
behind
We
these
did
things.
that.
No, we already
We
did
did that
that
one
in-
a month ago in West Fund.
Thanks, Brianna. Taking my things. Actually, I took that one from her. So, let's see. Oh, look, wire manhole covers around. I've seen that one. 3 boxes. One contains only apples. One contains only oranges. And one contains both apples and oranges. The boxes have been incorrectly labeled such that no label identifies the actual contents of its box.
The intern makes a return.
There's no interns in this one. Hey, look, it's the 3 light switch thing. That one's
Oh,
on
I
here.
like that one.
Yeah, we just did that one yesterday. How many golf balls would fit in a Boeing 747? What?
We kind of did something like that, but with ping pong balls and a
Mm-hmm.
bus.
Yeah, it's the same one. Let's see. Do. Man, chat is going off the hook right now. Too many. Too many is right. Ooh. Okay. You have somebody working for you for 7 days and have a gold bar for paying him. You must give him 1/7 of the gold bar each day. What are the fewest number of cuts to the bar of gold that will allow you to pay him 1/7 each day and draw it out?
Gold bars are actually going to be worth more than loose gold, so you probably just invest it and then pay him in cash like a normal human being.
Nope, you have to give him pieces of the gold bar.
Well, you're losing money, so
Well, okay, so hold on. You got someone working for you for 7 days and a gold bar to pay him. The gold bar is segmented into 7 connected pieces. You must give them a piece of gold at the end of every day. A hint, you can take, So this one's not worded well.
Doesn't seem like it, no.
What and where are the fewest number of cuts to the gold bar that will allow you to pay him 1/7 each day? Hint, you can take pieces back and give other pieces to him. It doesn't have to literally be 7 pieces of the gold bar. He just needs to have x/7 of the gold bar at the end of day X. Cool.
so he has to come into work and bring back his pay from last week. That
Yes,
seems
I didn't
I
make
would
the
just
rules.
ask to get paid in the whole bar at the end of the week.
Yeah, you'd think so, but he's got to have a portion of the gold each day.
Can we just fire this dude and get a normal person?
What?
Just fire this dude and hire a normal person.
No. You're the one that's making these rules, so you're the weird one. It's all
Fire
Thomas's
yourself.
fault.
So
Well, you can't do that.
essentially, it's how many cuts do you have to make?
Yes.
Okay, well, okay. I already have the answer, I think.
Well, aren't you just the coolest?
I am just the coolest.
All right,
I'm
so
working on half power here because I'm still in a migraine state.
yeah.
So,
Any questions on these 3 logic puzzles before I
For
split you
the
up?
third one,
Yes.
for the third one, can you roughly estimate a 7th, or do you need to?
So think of it as the gold bar looks like this.
Oh, right, you said it was segmented. I forgot.
Yeah.
Okay.
The gold bar looks like that. What did I just do here?
Nobody knows.
So the gold bar looks like this. So the idea is you need to figure out where to cut things so that you can give him his share of the gold and he'll have x/7 of the gold bar at the end of day X. Cool? Ready to go think with each other?
sure.
Cool. Breakout
you-
rooms.
So you can do like 8 pieces and then take 1 piece back from him.
Well, there's only 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. But yes, you can give him pieces and take them back to give him other pieces. He just needs to be able to go home with a certain amount of gold each day, and he'll come back with the gold you gave him previously.
So at the end of the day, at the end of the week, you'll get complete 7 pieces, like 7 by 7. So
Yes.
you get one full bar.
Yes.
Okay.
Whoever
Any other
wrote this
questions?
doesn't understand how payment works, and
Yeah.
doesn't understand that when you get paid, you usually want to spend the money.
Yes. So if you get this at a job interview, tell them that if this is how they're going to pay you, that you do not want the job.
Well, I mean, if I'm making the equivalent of a gold bar in a week, I might just take that job because that's a lot of money.
Yeah, let's see. How much
$1,600.
does
Right
it? Is it $1,600? $1,600 a week? Yeah, I'd take that.
No, a gold bar is like 120 grand.
I'd definitely take that.
Yeah.
It depends on how big the gold bar is. Maybe it's the size of a tiny Kit Kat.
Okay, well, a standard gold bar
A
There's a
Kit Kat is a
somewhere.
big one. An ounce is like size of a small coin or something.
Yeah, sorry, I was thinking of a coin. It's like 1,600.
This I'm looking on. So here, I just want to show you this. This little gold. It's 400% gold, and it's $10 million. I'll take that at the end of the week.
Yeah, but it'll be in pieces.
Yeah, but it's $10 million.
What do you mean by
This guy.
400% gold?
I don't
It
know.
can be 100% gold, but
I don't know. That's what it says. You guys see this, right? Like it's not just me.
4 times more than gold.
That's
Okay,
four.
well,
It's
It's come
400%
from
gold.
the sun.
That's
Listen.
not how you measure
no.
gold.
Listen, the
No, no,
internet
pure-
doesn't lie.
No, no,
Okay,
that's
the internet
pure
does not
gold
lie.
foil. That's pure gold foil. That's
But
not
it's
gold.
but it's 400% gold. I mean, the internet doesn't lie. What kind of sketchy site is this? The lowest ask or the highest bid? What? Oh, they have different ones. Interesting.
It's
That's
gold
dumb.
foil.
Yeah.
I think it's Vietnam currency or something.
All right, ready? Break. Oh wait, I have to actually. Let's see. Where's?
Why are you not just giving him 1/7 of the bar every day?
That's
Because
inefficient.
it's gonna take you so much work to cut the bar into 7 pieces, and
Why are you worried so much about cutting the bar when you're giving away a gold
listen,
bar?
I don't know. This is the interview question, okay? This is what I found, and it's got an interesting solution.
But if you must give him 1/7 of the bar each day and it's in 7 pieces, then after your worker worked for 7 days, you'd give him all 7 pieces.
He'll have all 7 pieces at the end of the day, at the end of the week, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
but what if he calls
You-
in sick one day? Then
So
he doesn't
what's
have 7 pieces.
Listen,
so what's the
listen, Dennis and Hunter and Song and Kamakani, are you guys hanging out again?
Yeah, we are.
All right, cool. Breakout rooms. Dennis and Hunter, Kamakani and Song.
It's 2020. We pay in toilet paper.
You're just now reading that.
Yeah. Sorry.
I missed that. What was that, 2020?
Somebody said in chat, it's 2020. We pay in toilet paper.
All right, ready? Break. Who taught you guys recursion?
Nobody taught him. He was cheating.
Oh.
Wait, what did you say, Cody?
I said, who taught you guys recursion?
Oh, we've been going ahead in our studies.
Yeah.
Really, motivation from you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Huh.
you motivate us.
Interesting.
So,
So if I copy and paste this code snippet from lines 14 to 25, I won't find it anywhere, right?
not unless there's another highly motivated Cody student.
Okay. All right.
Who created a website, Gigs for Geeks?
But really, it'd just be a testament to how good of an instructor you are, So how could you get mad about that?
I guess,
Any more ground on that note?
Shut up. We're winning.
3 variables, all 3 numbers.
Stop.
Yeah, but it's all within the same variable. We're not creating another variable.
Okay, so we've got, like, I've written down like 1, 3, 5, and you copy the number 1, move it to the back of the list.
Are you guys talking about the first thing?
Yeah.
First one?
Yes.
Okay. So if X is 5 and Y is 7, how do you get it so that Y equals 7, Y equals 5, and X equals 7? That's the whole thing. Why did it do that? There should be a line break between Y equals 7 and Y equals 5.
We can't see your screen.
No, I put it in chat.
Oh.
Okay. Well, in that case, if we're using 2 different variables and
Mhm.
neither of them is a list, we convert one to a string, append the first, well, all right, so we have number 1 and number 2. We convert number 1 to a string, append number 2 to number 1.
Hey, Cody.
Yes.
So for the first one, are they lists or is it just few variables?
They're numbers. So think of it as if X equals 5 and Y equals 7, do some logic and make X equals 7 and Y equals 5 without using a third variable.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, I hope that's not the case. I was doing dissertation field work, and if I had to come home to the States,
Hey guys, is there somewhere on the platform that explains how to route a login? I mean, creating a new user is easy. I just can't figure out how to get them logged in.
It is indeed on the platform.
Oh, hey.
Hello.
Thanks, Cody.
At least I'm pretty sure. I'm almost certain. Let's see. Let's go find it.
Hey, Joe, is that your way to do it without using an array?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
No problem.
So either we can swap without an additional variable like this, or in Python we have num1, comma num2
Hello.
is equal to num2, comma num1. Or so this is Python's way of doing it, where we can swap without doing any additional variable. But if you're not doing
don't
it that
do
way,
that one. Don't do that one.
and if you're not doing it this way, then I think this
Hello.
Is it me you looking?
I can see it in your eyes.
They're
can
thinking
see
hard.
it in
Not
your
we, but Son
smile.
thinks hard. But
Good.
You figured it out.
Yeah.
One cut.
3.
One.
3. 3.
No.
I need my English pronunciation to be right.
You did
3.
it in one.
Oh yeah, we will make the employee to cut for himself.
That's not the right answer.
But it works.
He doesn't have the tools to cut a gold bar. Only you do.
We can give him. We can even.
We're good employers.
We can rent him for like half a bar per day.
No.
So our list amount is 3 cuts so far.
Okay. 3, like you cut it 3 times, or
Yeah.
it's split into 3 pieces?
No, cut it. Oh.
2 cuts.
2 cuts?
2 cuts.
I just found out the answer.
Song just did it in 2 cuts.
Good. That's the right answer.
Thank you.
Song.
No, I'm always cool. Hence the scarf.
Okay, I figured it out. There is a way you can multiply without the operator.
Yeah? Without
Yeah.
doing the longhand math?
Yeah, it's dash multiply. Dash multiply is a function in
Spelled
Python.
out. Well, there you go, Cody.
That's funny.
Not the answer you were looking for, but it's an answer.
It is an answer. It is an answer.
I don't know how to do it otherwise.
Oh, how do you like our gold bar prop?
I love that.
It's right, so I like it.
And the dog's
I think there's some people out there that would like fight you for that. I know there's no actual toilet paper on it, but the roll's got to be worth something, right?
Did you see an article? I saw this article this morning that was saying that a truck was stolen that was filled, like they just found a truck that was stolen that was filled with toilet paper.
Oh, word.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, in like South Carolina.
Neat.
And
I
in
went to
South Carolina,
Safeway
so death
yesterday.
penalty.
Yeah, I went to Safeway yesterday and everything's gone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So a friend of mine in Woodinville
Mhm.
posted a picture this morning. He was at Costco and they got restocked.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I'm all set. Like I've got everything, no matter what the, scenario. I know.
Doomsday Prepper.
No, just the whole yesterday California got orders that the whole state's going on lockdown for a month, so it's only a matter of time realistically. So just got to be prepped. Got to have things.
Well,
I'm prepped enough.
I'm so not prepped. I'm waiting for places to get restocked, and it doesn't look like it's happening.
Mhm.
Though I did hear certain stores are finally starting to regulate how much of items you can buy. Like you're limited to 2 packages of toilet paper when they get restocked.
Mhm. That's how Safeway was yesterday with a lot of stuff. Rice and beans were being like rationed out, only 1 item per transaction.
That's crazy.
Good. No, it's about time. I mean, obviously humans can't
Yep.
ration ourselves.
Yep. The biggest thing that I've seen that's I mean, obviously, you have older people who are having issues getting to stuff because, they can't just like run out and sprint out there and they
have
they
now
have more health
designated
issues.
senior citizen hours.
Yeah. No, they have not. They have it here. They have at the grocery stores down in like Florida at Publix, 7
They have
a.m.
here.
to
Safeway has it.
Oh, do they? I didn't know that.
Safeway and Albertsons company-wide across the country.
Oh, good.
Have made it as a regulation. I saw the signage yesterday.
Good.
And it's like from 7 to 9,
Mhm.
seniors only.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
But the other problem that I've seen is like first responders and nurses and stuff and doctors who are getting off work at weird times. It can't be there when they open.
Yeah.
They go and everything's gone. So
Yeah.
it sucks.
I like that I think it's funny. I saw this thing talking about how all those things that companies said were not possible because of demand are now possible.
Yeah.
Like the
Yeah.
fact that grocery stores are actually closing
Yeah.
to restock instead of having to make people restock like while they're doing stuff.
Yep.
It's like
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of stuff that people were like, it's not humanly possible. It's like, wow, that turned around real quick.
Yeah.
Like real quick.
Yeah. I did. My brother, he posted a thing on LinkedIn today about watching, because he's used to working remote. He travels a lot, and so sometimes with travel and everything, he has to work like from taxi cabs, things like that. But he knows 3 people that work for the same company who have been battling online and remote stuff for years, just saying, no, we're not going to do it. And 3 different departments, and all 3 departments handle it completely differently. Like, so he's down in Texas. One of those guys has to work from, like, he has to show up to work all week in the office. Because he is his manager told him, yeah, you're still coming in because you're not considered essential personnel.
Ooh, ouch.
Right? It's like, if you're essential, we don't want you to get sick. But if you aren't, who cares?
Oh, yikes.
Yeah. Somebody else, like, they said, okay, so you are going to work from home, but you have to take your entire tower, desktop, monitor, everything with you, because everything is secured. That's the best way to make sure it's secure.
Okay.
And then another person, different department, she just, like, I guess packed up her laptop, took it home, set up a VPN, and then was good as normal. But it's like, all the same company.
Yeah. I think they'd have more.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah. Uniformity.
Anyhow, I think it's funny. I think it's sad, but funny. All the stuff that's going on. And it is putting on blatant display a lot of what's broken in our society.
Yeah.
Both politically and socially.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. That's for sure.
And then where people are pointing the fingers. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Anyhow, so.
How's the algorithms going? I saw you got that one. You got the other ones working? I mean, I know I heard the multiply, even though I don't like it. But
it's an answer.
It's an answer. It is an answer.
All right. Well, for the first one, since we have 2 variables,
yeah,
they're integers, and we can't have a 3rd variable, then what I suggested is we take the first variable, convert it to a string.
Okay.
Append the 2nd number to the first string.
Okay.
Set the 2nd number as the first item in the first string.
What if the 2 numbers were double or triple or quadruple digits?
Well, then you create a list instead.
Okay.
And just append that number to the list.
But then how do you know where in the list to split things up without using another variable?
Oh.
Because the list is only too long. It's the first item and then the 2nd item that you appended to the list.
Okay.
So, yeah, actually, I like that. I like that.
Are you giggling at Arthur?
Of course I am. I love the noises. They're perfect.
I don't even know where my dog is. She ran
He's
away.
like trying to sleep and barking at the same time.
Interesting. All right. Well, let me go check in on other people.
Cool.
So that's equal
Cody.
to.
Cody is here. We can ask Cody about
I
the
am
3rd
indeed
question.
here.
Yeah, about the 3rd question.
Yeah. Once after you finish this. Yeah.
3 So now z equals 6.
Oh. Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Cody, the 3rd question, I did not get it. I mean, do you cut the gold bar into 7 pieces and give 7 any size of pieces and give it to him, or?
Well, yeah. So the idea is if you have a segmented gold bar it's segmented into 7 pieces, what is the fewest number of cuts that you can, if on the 3rd day he has 3/7 of the bar, on the 4th day he would have 4/7 of the bar, on the 2nd day he would have 2/7 of the bar, but it doesn't have to be like you give him 1/7 each. There's a way that you can set it up.
So you can give him more, and then like say you give him on the first day, you give him 2/7 of the bar,
Well, no, you don't want him to have 2 sevens after the first day, but like you can take back a piece that you gave him the day before and give him a different size piece.
So you can give him 1 by 7 and take it back and give him 2 by 7.
Yep.
So you'll have 1 by 7 with you. Got it. Okay. So let
So I
this
tried
is
this out and I got 2 cuts.
Yep.
Yay.
I was thinking 2 cuts so we could do 0 cuts because I'm thinking, what if we
Make
give
him wait till the end of the week.
Just merge the whole thing and give him a full bar the 7th day.
Yeah. The answer is 2 cuts.
2 cuts?
Yep. Cool.
yeah, 2 cuts. I got 1 by 7, 2 by 7, and 4 by 7.
Yep.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. Awesome.
5.
I've had a CS degree.
How you guys
Hey,
doing
Cody.
with those algos?
I
Those
think we got
logic
them.
puzzles. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we got him.
Does an array count as 1 variable?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we came up with 2 solutions. One where an array
I
count.
erased the other one, yeah.
They're all in chat.
I can't see any of the chat stuff that you've put in prior to me joining. So.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
I forgot what yours was. Let me hold on. Let me go back and exit this.
Weird.
Somebody's recording?
I am.
Oh, Cody's recording.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I can share it here. We had.
Oh, you want to share?
Oh yeah. I mean, you got it. Go
So
ahead.
I changed the variable too, because I mean, essentially, we're just gonna flip it, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
But you're using a third variable.
A third variable?
Yeah, because you have X and you have Y, and now you have var1.
No, yeah, that's
Okay.
why I just had var2 was the temp.
No, he said that's X, Y, and then wait. So like, can you look at our line 5 then? Does that count as 4 variables then, or just
No,
2
that's 2.
variables?
Because
Okay,
the
good.
whole thing is, let's see. If you have X equals, 11 and Y equals 23, what's the logic that you need to make X 23 and Y 11 without bringing in any other variable?
Okay, so that's like our first 3 lines would work then, right? Joe came up with it.
Yep. That's the right
Okay.
answer.
Okay, yeah.
Is this the right answer?
Yep.
2 cuts.
Mhm.
And then this one. So, yeah, okay.
Cool.
Cool.
Sweet.
So Joe's gonna present it.
All right. I'm going to pull everybody back to the main room.
Cool. Watch me go first.
Wait, hello?
Hello.
Why did it mute me? You guys hopped back here pretty quickly.
We solved them. We got them all
You
figured
solved
out.
them. Man, you guys are superstars.
Yeah.
Super rockstars.
Cash can present.
Yeah, I can present.
All right. Which one would you like to present, Tash?
Oh, if we just have to do one, I guess we could do the first one.
Okay, so
Oh,
we'll
wait,
have
no.
you do.
Oh, we did the no, we did good on the gold bar one. Can we do
Okay,
that?
I'll give you the gold bar one, and then I know. Let's see. Let's get everybody in here. It's the answer to all of the questions in life.
We're gonna do 42 cuts.
Hey, wait a second. Thomas, do you want to do the cuts the way you did them since you did it before? Is Thomas here?
I think his name is Grumpy Cat now.
Mr. Grumpy Cat. I thought I said it so anyone could annotate or whatever. Okay, well, I'll just try to do it. All right, so we did, just let me get the right. Okay. So I think we did it like this. And then is it, oh shoot. Oh yeah, something like this.
But that's not even sevenths.
Does it need to be even?
Yeah.
Oh
You gotta
yeah,
give him, he's got to have 1/7, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was kind of lying before. Like, we didn't really solve any of them.
I was about to
We just
say,
got-
what, you didn't like my prop,
we-
Cody?
We just kind of gave up and went back to the main room. I don't know why.
Wow.
I told everyone we're supposed to keep trying, but they wouldn't listen. Um,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8 pieces. Yes. For the gold bars, 1/7, 2/7, and 4/7, where you give the guy 1/7 the first day.
Hi, Comic-Con.
Second day, you take back 1/7 and give him 2/7. Then the third day, you give him the 1/7, so he has 3 out of 7. Then the fourth day, you take it all back and give him the 4/7. The next day, you give him 1/7, so he has 5/7. The sixth day, you take back the 1/7 and give him the 2/7, so he has the 4/7 and the 2/7. And then the last day, you give him the last piece, and he has the whole bar.
I understand this problem even less now. Thought I got it before.
Might be a really great help.
Dash.
Yeah, let's
Hold on, I need to
subtraction drawings.
retake fractions.
Okay, so
I have a prop.
day
Yeah,
one,
but I don't get it. I see it. It's
you
toilet paper.
give him
Becky, you
1/7.
had toilet paper? Lucky.
No, she just has the roll.
It's just the roll.
It's just the roll. Okay, so day one, he gets 1/7, right? Day two, you take that back and you give him 2/7,
Oh.
right? So the bar is cut into 3 pieces.
Oh.
So you give him this one the first day. Then you take it back and give him this one the second day. Day 3, you give him the 1/7, so he has the 1/7 and the 2/7, right? Which is a total of 3/7. Day 4, you take both of them back and give him the 4/7 piece, so that he has the 4/7. Day 5, you give him the 1/7,
Oh.
so that he has the 4/7 and the 1/7. Day 6, you take back the 1/7 and give him the 2/7, so he has that and the 4/7. And then day 7, you give him back the 1/7, so that he has all 7 pieces.
Okay, I've got a much better way. I figured it out. A much better
Okay.
way to propose this problem.
Okay.
You are starting trade negotiations on an alien planet. You don't really understand their currency. They have 10 different types of coins.
Okay.
One for every value. A one alien money coin, a 2
Okay.
alien money coin, all the way up to 10.
Okay.
you want to use as few different types of coins as possible. How do you it falls apart. It falls apart. I'm backpedaling.
I was
Get
gonna
out
say,
of there.
hey, Cody, you're really gonna let him just like suck you into another story like that?
I was interested to hear where it was gonna go, and he was onto something, and then he lost it. So I'm pulling it back.
Completely lost it. Never mind.
You could just pay your worker weekly, you know.
Yeah, you could, but this is post coronavirus. Things are weird now. Like it's just
Yeah, you don't know if that person's gonna die tomorrow.
we don't
Going
know
back
what's
to the
going on.
gold standard.
Things are strange.
I mean, he showed up to an office wearing, you know, biker leathers and stuff.
I mean, he's not allowed to spend his money anyways.
All right, who wants to do number 1? Swap 2 numbers without a third variable. Who's got a solution that they want to talk about?
Wait, what's the problem? Wait, I didn't see that.
Do you want me to?
We have X and Y, and we want to swap them. Without a third variable.
Oh, okay.
Praneeth, you wanna talk through yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have x equal to 5 and y equal to 7. When you add, you make x equals to x plus y.
Are you sharing right now, or?
I'm just typing it.
Oh, why don't I stop sharing and we'll let Praneeth share?
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, actually, I'm not. I was not sharing anything. I was just typing there. So.
Or you can do that. Just type it in chat. That works too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. How do I type now? Yep. Yeah. Y equals 7. You make x equal to x plus y. That will make it to 12, and then y equals x minus y. That will make it 5.
Wow.
Then x equals to x minus y. That will make it 7.
Yep.
Whoa. That was so cool.
Yep.
That
Everybody
was
see that?
ingenious.
Magic.
That
So
is
magical.
magical.
Well, actually, it would be y minus x on the second one, right? Or on
No,
the first
because
one.
x is x plus y, so x is 12, and then y is x minus y, which sets y equal to 5. And then if you did x minus y, it would set x to 7.
Oh, okay. Right. Okay, yeah. No, you're right.
Cool.
We had a different solution.
Yep. You wanna talk about yours?
Sure, I actually have it written out now, so it makes more sense. I can share the screen.
Yeah, do that.
Share screen. This will stop screen sharing. Wait, what? No, what?
I clicked stop screen share.
Okay. Share screen. Share. Can y'all see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing.
Plus. It's not plussing. Why is it not plussing? Okay, well, I didn't want to zoom in for some reason. So yeah, there it is. Look at that. So we take X, we convert it into a array of the two numbers, and then Y equals the array position, array position of 0, which was the original X, and then X equals the array position of 1, which was the original Y.
I like that.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's so
And
cool.
that'll work for things other than just numbers too, which is good.
So beautiful.
Cool. All right. Anybody want to show off numero dos? Multiply two numbers without using a multiplication operator or loops.
Our whole group totally hit a wall with this one, so I'm really curious how people
Did
solve
your
this.
group just like look at these and just quit? Because I came back and you guys were already there, and then you
we-
had the weird crisscross applesauce.
We tried that one, and we tried the multiplication one for like, I don't know, a few minutes.
Okay.
And then we tried the other one.
Okay.
Oh no, we did. I don't know if we got to the swapping variables. Did we, guys?
We just used a super cheaty Python that built in.
Well, we wrote out two different answers for the first one, so.
Yeah. Okay. Who's got a solution to number 2 they want to talk about, though? I know one group just straight up looked it up.
Wow.
Who would that be?
Cough, cough.
That's what we should have done.
Wait, what?
One cough, cough.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
Just so
you
we're
guys straight
clear.
up looked it up too?
Just so
We have a solution for that. We
Just
can
so we're
talk about.
clear, I didn't look up the solution. I had the solution in my head. I just wanted to see if there's a logical thing we can do to make that solution work.
Okay. All right. So did anybody?
Yes.
All right.
we,
Yeah, Richard.
We did.
Richard, why don't you
Oh,
Right here.
take us through?
All right, so if you want to multiply X times Y, then you just put X divided by 1 over Y.
Yay, math.
Wait. Oh.
So 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 divided by 1/4 equals 12.
Nice and simple and concise. Cool.
I still like ours.
What
Wait,
was
is
yours?
That
You
was
just
the dash
divide it?
multiply.
Oh.
Is there ever a reason you wouldn't be able to use the multiplication
I don't know.
operator?
Maybe the asterisk key on your keyboard broke. I don't know. It's more of a, do you understand some math stuff and know how to think logically and critically? If given certain weird constraints, can you still get a solution working? Which is always what people want to see.
Do they ask these in interviews?
Oh, yeah.
what was Richard's 3 divided by 4?
No, it was X divided by 1 over Y.
1 over Y. Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Cool. Any questions on these algos before I give you guys a little break?
So is it a good practice to get in the habit of this finding algorithms and trying memorizing how to do that?
I wouldn't say memorize them, but go through them, try and come up with a solution yourself, and then see the solution and understand why it worked, and then eventually just collectively, like the collective knowledge that you're going to gain from doing all that stuff is just going to end up helping you, make connections more quickly in the long run. I know I've told you guys about the site before once or twice.
Leet code.
Patty, are you just talking about preparing yourself for like interview algorithms?
I guess so. That's kind of the goal, right? Is to prepare.
Because there's like specific software you can sign up for. I think you maybe have to pay for it, but like it's like geared toward preparing you for interview algorithms.
problems. Look at all of these algorithms that you can do.
Wait a minute.
Oh, look at all of these. Look at all of these. Look at all. Reverse a linked list.
So
I've seen this one a lot. I've had this one.
What is a reversal linked list?
Wait, this is weird. Positioned M to N. Ooh.
Do it in one pass.
Holy
That's
shit.
interesting.
Interesting. But yeah, leak code. Let's get right here. I recommend this for practice. Not right now, though, obviously. You got belt exam Monday. But just in general, it's just the more you practice, the more you're going to, you know, some of it's going to be memorizing things, but it's going to be less memorizing the exact syntax and just knowing the logic behind how to do it, and then knowing syntax and being able to write it out. Dennis wants to know how they can help us in StarCraft. No.
No, the only thing that'll help you in StarCraft is watching my stream Saturday mornings at 7 a.m.
Smash that like button. Like, comment, subscribe.
Is the exam normally first thing in the morning?
Yes.
So like you start at 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to take 5 hours, you know.
Right. That makes sense. That seems good.
Does that mean Project Week's gonna be shorter?
Thomas, you've had 2 weeks already. You already had 2 weeks, Thomas. I don't want to hear that from you.
I'm asking for the sake of the community.
Yes, it does. But realistically, just like a day or so. I mean, you can always starting to work on your project is good belt prep too. You know, if you finish dojo reads today or tomorrow, it gives you Sunday to start working on your project as practice. So,
What's the like suggestion and like stuff for the wasn't there like a
yeah,
type
we haven't decided yet. We've been doing kind of like a one that was given to us, which is the whole environmental theme, but we find that basically nobody actually follows that. So we're gonna try and come up with something else later today.
like contagions or corona?
We briefly visited that, but there's a little bit of a sensitivity issue to deal with that, so we think it's probably going to be better to just steer you away from that one. But yeah, we'll be having like a project week kickoff thing at I think 3:30. We'll create a Zoom meeting just for that. Thomas, that's disgusting. So yeah, so keep an eye out for an announcement for that. I'm gonna give you guys, let's say 11 o'clock. We will meet in this Zoom meeting, and I will do a ground up build of a full stack CRUD application. I will build out login and registration. And I will do.
Yeah. Wait. Someone, whoever's in the background, that's really distracting. Speakerphone.
All right. 11 o'clock, meet in this Zoom room. I will do a ground up build of a full stack CRUD application, including login registration. So be here for that. It'll be good practice. I'll essentially be combining login registration with, I don't remember which one. Books authors, I think I was going to do. Yeah, books authors.
You're
Cool.
gonna record it, right, Cody?
Yeah, I'm going to record it.
Okay.
But then I'll probably take all the videos offline on Belt Day. Just, you know. All right, cool. Any questions?
Download the video.
Thomas, do not give other people advice on how to cheat on the exam.
Do not download the video.
Cool. Any other questions before I give you guys some time to grab coffee, take a walk, do whatever? 11 o'clock in here. See you there.
Okay.
Wait, Cody, if the test is open book, that technically wouldn't be cheating then, would it? Because we have access to all of the resources.
Yeah, but still,
Are you talking about like referencing the GitHub repository?
no, you're not allowed to use GitHub on
Oh.
Belt Day.
Oh, what is he
That's
saying?
one thing that's off limits. You have access to all the resources, Learn platform, all that stuff like that.
So you could watch a video of you doing it or something?
I mean, if I'm going to be like checking your code, and if I see that you literally just use the code that I wrote 100%, then we're going to have a talk. So,
I don't want to do that.
Yeah, don't do that. All right, I'll see you guys back here at 11 o'clock.
Okay. Are we finally alone? Just kidding.